Today, we'll uncover a secret that silently eats your money: inflation. What is inflation? Inflation is when prices rise and your money loses power to buy the same things. Imagine yesterday's burger cost $5, but today it's $6. That's inflation in action. Inflation happens because money supply grows faster than goods, or demand outpaces supply. Even if prices rise slowly, over time, inflation quietly reduces your savings value. If you save $100 today, in 10 years, it might only buy $70 worth of goods. There are many types: demand pull, cost push, and built-in inflation. Each affects us differently. Demand pull example. When everyone wants a new game console, stores raise prices. That's demand pull inflation. Cost push example. If ingredients for pizza cost more, pizza prices rise. That's cost push inflation. Built-in inflation. Sometimes, workers demand higher pay, which increases costs, triggering built-in inflation. It feels like money disappears faster and living costs seem to rise overnight. Milk, bread, and eggs become more expensive year after year. Even your apartment rent can rise, making your monthly budget tighter. In the 1970s, prices skyrocketed, causing huge money worries worldwide. You may not notice small inflation, but over years, it can erase savings silently. So how can you keep your money safe from inflation? Option 1. Investments. Investing in stocks or mutual funds can grow your money faster than inflation. Option 2. Real estate. Buying property often preserves value because real estate usually appreciates over time. Option 3. Precious metals. Gold and silver are classic safe haven assets during inflation. Option 4. Treasury bonds. Government bonds offer steady returns that can beat mild inflation. Spend wisely and avoid unnecessary debt. Every dollar saved counts against inflation. Follow price trends, check grocery bills, and compare costs over time. Don't panic during inflation spikes. Measured strategies always win over fear. Even future generations face inflation, making financial education essential. Inflation silently reduces money's value, but knowledge is your strongest defense. Save smart, invest wisely, and always track prices to fight inflation. Understanding inflation is like having a superpower for your wallet. Stay alert, save smart, and let your money grow even during inflation.